Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working on the frame rails. Nothing really, it's going to be kind of boring to record, but I'll just probably show you all the progress and pretty much show you what we have to do, then go from there and then show you the end result. Alright, so these are the, well, I guess our new frame rails that we're going to use, and I had already measured it, but I believe, I'll show you on the frame right now, but I believe I'm a little bit too long, so we'll probably go shorten this up by 1 inch on the amount we're going to cut. So we'll be doing 9 inches from here to here, and we'll be doing 3 inches down. So pretty much it's going to be like a Z into the frame. It will just help us with a lot of strength and everything, and hopefully it should not bend or crack or anything, but you know, we'll see what happens. But just walking over here, this is the frame over here, and we'll be doing the same thing to the top. We'll be cutting 9 inches from here, from this edge to here. So it'll be 9 inches from here to there, and then we'll just take the top off. We'll bring the rail over, assemble it on top, and we should be somewhere in the realm of this area right here. And hopefully after that's all done, we'll get it all done today. We're gonna have to take these things off right here, and it's gonna be a real pain, but we'll get it done. I was hoping I had a belt sander, but I don't have any. But yeah, the other idea I had was thinking I'm just cutting the whole frame from the side to side and just welding it back up here, but I don't know. I feel like it would just weaken up the frame a little too much, so we'll probably just have to get the pieces off slowly. It's gonna take forever, but you know, it's probably the better way to do it. So without further ado, let's get back into it. This is where we marked the frame part of it now. So we have 9 inches from this point to here, and we have a 3-inch piece from here that we're going to take out. So as soon as I cut it out, I'll show y'all how the two pieces will, I mean, I'm pretty sure by now everybody's figured out how it's going to go. So I'm just going to finish cutting it out. We got the frame rails fitted, as you can see. They are still need to be welded in, which is, the gaps are pretty good so far. Now next thing is we're gonna have to weld it all up, and later on probably grind the tops and the bottoms so we can get the freaking plates just reinforcement plates. If worse comes to worse, we're probably just gonna do a hoop around the driver's side, and then just do the rear bars that go from here to here, like a roll cage style, but just with the one hoop. Other than that, last thing to do is just finish welding this up and put the bar, reinforcement bar, from side to side so it doesn't tweak to the sides. Alright, apologize for the wind and my bad haircut. I mean, all the barbers are closed and everything, so. I just got done welding this damn thing. I'm tired. I'm freaking shot. One last thing I'm gonna do before calling it a night is, sorry for the wind, it's crazy, but hopefully you hang in there. But last thing I gotta do is this bar here, I gotta cut it to 2 feet exactly and make the brace for the back of the frame. Just got done welding everything except for the bottom. I don't have a welding jacket right now, so I'll probably pick one up in the morning. I just don't want to burn the hell out of myself. I already burnt my leg and that doesn't feel so great. But other than that, we'll just finish up that for tonight, and that should be it. I'll probably throw in the motor just to show y'all how it's going. And then the hardest part will be taking these completely off, because it's gonna be a nightmare. I'm gonna hopefully see if somebody has them for sale that sells them individually or something. I'm pretty sure somebody sells them, so I'm gonna look into that tonight. But for now, I'm just gonna measure this, cut this 2 feet, and then just weld it in, and hopefully it works all great. Alright, as you can see, we got it fully welded, and well, not fully welded, we just tacked it in like 3 or 4 corners, and now it was pretty level. Now I took the jack stands off, as you can see in the corner, right corner, and it's supported on its own weight. One thing to point out is, I guess, the welds don't look as nice as they should, but there is penetration. I shined a flashlight in there and checked it all out, and it seems like it was alright. The welds are atrocious, but they'll hold. So next is just to stick the engine back in there, and hopefully this rear brace will be perfectly fine where it's at, and we'll keep going from there.
See you other side. Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
All right, so we're wrapping it up for tonight, and I'll show you all the progress we got done. It doesn't seem like a whole lot, but you know, it was quite a lot of hours we put in today. And well, let me just show you. That is pretty much it right now. That's what we got done so far. We got these frames welded in, and we got the rear bar just tacked in for now, because we wanted to make sure we were going to have enough clearance for the rear diff, only diff, to this bar, and it seems like we will. We got these pretty squared away. We're probably going to end up pushing them maybe like half an inch to an inch forward, because we actually have some space in the front. We still have some room with this. What we'll end up doing is probably notching it and then just adding it like a notch on top, and that should give us plenty of room for the pulley. And we still need to lower the motor down, but sorry, it's kind of dark, I know. We got to lower the motor down a lot more to make this even, but tomorrow's goal would probably most likely be getting this right here to fit in and make the tubes that go straight through, so to hold the bolts, and pretty much. Alright, so just saying peace out for tonight, and hopefully you guys like the content, and let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, give us those likes please. I don't know, talk some crap in the comments, I don't really care, but